Hello guys, how are you? Let me show you our project that we just finished over here. So the client requested to enlarge the driveway area over here. So it was like just for one car. Now they can park two cars over here. In this area you can see we apply gravel to implement the overall design and the colors. Now here we did drainage system all around the perimeter of the house. There you can see we apply some wood chips and some flowers a little bit. And then I really like this gate, come out really nice. It's a completely custom gate, IPE wood, with the lock over here and custom frame. We cover the holes. We apply some oil on top. Come out really nice. And then here it was like a landing area over here. It was coming all the way to here. We demolish everything, lower it down, and create one area, one space, so the kids can play around and to have a little bit more space in this area. And then all around the perimeter of the house, you can see when we install some lights, outlets. We run dedicated line to the storage unit. And then here in this area, the stairs was coming all the way to here. We wanted to create a little bit bigger space for a sitting area, so they can put some furniture and enjoy the backyard this way. So we actually turn the stairs that direction, and it allows us to have a little bit more space over here. Now for the sidewalk, we just use the composite gravel, and then we continue the gravel over here all around the stepping stones that we framed in, and then apply rebar and put concrete on top. So you can see irrigation system all around this area over there, even drip system over there in the DG area, because they want to plant some plants and flowers. And then here you can see it was an old storage that the goal was to upgrade and create like a room. So we installed those doors, we installed a new window, new frame all around. So the header is here, king studs, right, to support the opening and the doors. We installed the trim all around, we paint everything. Now here we install insulation, we run a dedicated line, LED lights, outlets all around the perimeter, small AC unit. We also use the soundproof materials so the owner can play here. And you can see we install a new floor here, and I think come out really nice. So if you're looking for some little bit more cost-efficient solution for a small room, small area, this may be a way to go about it. And finally we install the block wall all around the perimeter of the house. We demo the old fence, and then we install this block wall. Now on top of this block wall, in future you can install stone, you can install stucco, you can just paint it. So you can decorate it wherever you want. The most important that it's strong, it's durable, and it's gonna hold for many years. Since we apply foundation, we did rebars, we put concrete inside, and that's pretty much it over here. Of course, we did some touch-ups with the stucco, and we matched the color of the house because we damaged the bottom, because we actually demolished a lot of concrete. And then if you need something like this or other projects, we'll be more than happy to help you out. Thank you very much.